Hey everyone! Welcome back to Kevin's Tech Channel. I'm Kevin, and today, we're diving into the world of organization with the Niambo B1 Bluetooth label maker. If you're looking for a quick, efficient way to label everything from kitchen jars to office supplies, this device is a game changer. Let's check it out. First, let's unbox this little gadget. Inside, we have the Niambo B1 label maker, a user manual, a USB charging cable, and a starter roll of label tape. It's compact, lightweight, and has a sleek design that's easy to carry around. Look at this, it's super portable and fits right in your hand. Perfect for on-the-go labeling. Now, let's dive into some key features that make the Niambo B1 stand out. Bluetooth connectivity. Easily connect the label maker to your smartphone via Bluetooth using the Niambo app, available for both iOS and Android. Versatile label sizes. Print labels in various sizes up to 1.96 x 1.18 inches, making it versatile for different labeling needs. High-quality printing. Enjoy clear, high-resolution prints that are durable and long-lasting. Rechargeable battery. The built-in rechargeable battery ensures you can use it without constantly replacing batteries. One charge lasts for hours of use. Easy-to-use app. The app offers numerous templates and customization options, allowing you to design labels to your exact specifications. Setting up the Niambo B1 is a breeze. Let's do it together. First, turn on the label maker and open the app. Pairing is seamless and takes just a few seconds. Once paired, you can choose from various templates or create your own design. Let's print a label for this jar. I'll type sugar, choose a font, adjust the size, and hit print. And voila, a perfect, professional-looking label in seconds. It's that simple. The labels stick well and look great. Here are some practical applications for the Niambo B1. Office supplies. Keep your office tidy by labeling files, folders, and storage bins. Personal items. Label personal items like chargers, cables, and notebooks to avoid mix-ups. Crafts and hobbies. Great for labeling craft supplies and hobby materials, making everything easy to find. The possibilities are endless. It's not just about organization. It's about making your life easier and more efficient. The Niambo B1 Bluetooth label maker is a versatile, easy-to-use device that can help you organize your home, office, and more. Its portability, high-quality prints, and user-friendly app make it a must-have gadget for anyone looking to stay organized. If you're interested in getting your own Niambo B1, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Kevin's Tech Channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and happy labeling!